Creating an affiliate onboarding flow with video tutorials is a powerful way to streamline the process for new affiliates and ensure they start off on the right foot. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do that quickly and efficiently in just a few steps. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, which you won't want to miss. First, start by selecting the right software for your affiliate program. I've tested a lot of popular tools, but the software we'll be using today is incredibly intuitive and perfect for creating a seamless onboarding experience. It offers video tutorial integration, step-by-step instructions, and tracking features all in one place. Once you've signed up, the first thing you'll want to do is create a central hub for your affiliate onboarding flow. This is where all of your materials, including video tutorials, will be organized. This hub should be clear, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. You don't want affiliates to get lost in a maze of documents or confusing instructions. Keep it simple. Next, let's talk about the structure of your video tutorials. Keep your videos short and to the point. Each video should focus on one key aspect of the affiliate process, whether it's how to sign up, how to access affiliate links, or how to track performance. This way, affiliates can easily follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Break each tutorial into bite-sized chunks, and remember, the more concise, the better. Now, you'll want to embed these video tutorials directly into your affiliate onboarding flow. The software we're using allows you to integrate videos seamlessly, so new affiliates can watch them as they complete their tasks. This helps with retention and ensures they stay engaged throughout the process. It's also a good idea to include a few interactive elements along the way. For instance, after each video tutorial, you can set up short quizzes or checklists to reinforce the key points. This will help your affiliates retain the information they need to succeed and allow you to gauge their progress. Once your videos and interactive elements are set up, don't forget to test the flow. Run through the onboarding process yourself and make sure everything works as expected. This will ensure that your new affiliates have a smooth, stress-free experience. Before we wrap up, don't forget that I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. The link is in the description below, and it's available exclusively for viewers of this channel. The key takeaway here is that creating an affiliate onboarding flow with video tutorials isn't as complicated as it may seem. It's all about keeping the process simple, engaging, and organized. By following these steps, selecting the right software, creating a central hub, organizing your video tutorials, adding interactive elements, and testing the flow, you'll set your affiliates up for success. And remember, the exclusive free trial is available for you to follow along with this process, so make sure to grab that link in the description below. Thanks for watching.